Hello everyone, it's me Louis Corpuz. A while ago we came from that Camp Allen where all the trees are. We walked going here in Middle Quarry. This is our home in Middle Quarry, so we're gonna walk back going to Camp Allen again. We got home cook meal from my mama. There's my mama. Say hi, ma. We're going to Camp Allen. Okay, mama wants to show her grotto. Sweet. Her plants. So, bye-bye, ma. Thank you.
Kiss na ko.
We're going there.
Sige,
Camp Allen.
orayin na kami, diba, titin.